Humanity has evolved for thousands of years. We have conquered space, mastered technology, and changed the world. But what happens next? The next 100 years will be unlike anything we have ever seen. From AI to space colonization, from genetic engineering to deep space exploration, this is the future of humanity. AI is already taking over jobs, but what happens when AI surpasses human intelligence? Automation, self-learning systems, and AI-powered governments. Will humans still be relevant in the workplace? The next step in human evolution is not natural. It's digital. Brain-computer interfaces, AI-enhanced cognition, and the first true cyber-humans. Will we become one with machines? Earth is getting crowded. The only solution? Expand into space. By the 2050s, humans could be living on Mars. But can we truly survive on another planet? Classical computers are powerful, but quantum computers will change everything. Simulating atoms, breaking encryption, solving the mysteries of the universe, quantum computing will redefine what we think is possible. By the late 21st century, we may have the technology to stop aging. Genetic engineering, CRISPR advancements, and anti-aging medicine. Could humans finally achieve immortality? With rising temperatures, melting ice caps, and extreme weather, will Earth still be habitable by 2085? Geoengineering, artificial ecosystems, and global efforts to save the planet. Can we prevent a climate catastrophe? Will the United States still be the dominant power? Will China take control, or will a new superpower emerge? The 2090s will decide who controls the future. By 2100, humans will travel beyond our solar system. What if we are not alone? Alien civilizations, interstellar travel, and the search for new worlds. What will humanity discover? We stand at the edge of history. Will we evolve into something greater, or will we face extinction? The next century will define everything. If you want to see what happens next, hit that subscribe button now.